Hey guys, welcome to the channel. On today's episode we're going to be discussing the performance of Palantir during last Friday and analyzing Citron's research. Let's go. So Palantir's pre-market on Friday was huge, reaching as high as $32. However, later that Friday, Citron tweeted about its position and stated that Palantir is no longer a stock but a full casino. What did they mean is that the last month, as we saw, the stock rose by more than 170%, and especially this last week by over 60%, believing that it's going to crash up until the end of the year to a price target of $20. I haven't noticed any reasons why this stock would crash other than that huge increase and growth in the stock price, meaning that the fundamentals of the company hasn't changed. So just by a huge growth, it doesn't mean that the stock will fall to $20. However, in all stocks, when they have a huge growth of 2 to 3 weeks, they're gonna have some days of pullbacks. This is completely normal for all stocks, otherwise everybody would become stupid rich. Because many people after a huge growth want to take their profits. If you believe in this company and you know this company will do well and you have researched it with all the data that you have as an investor, you would most possibly stay with the stock and not sell your position. However, I do believe that Citron has a point there, and I do believe that the stock may get in some trouble and be declining and maybe not hitting the price target of $20, but decreasing in value. The reason is that closer to the end of the year, where the lockup period will no longer exist, many potential stakeholders will be selling their positions on the market, flooding the market with new shares, and thus decreasing the price of the stock. Since, as you know, or you should know, that Palantir didn't do an IPO, an initial public offering, but it did the direct shares option of listing their company on the stock exchange. So that's why they put in place a lockup period, which will end the end of the year. So let me tell you what I think and what will most probably believe. Of course, I am bullish on Palantir, and I do believe that it's going to go very high. It's going to make a lot of money. However, up until the end of the year, we're going to see a correction because of this lockup period that will be removed, and stakeholders will be releasing new shares to the market. Thus, as if you're an investor in this company, not just day trading, you should definitely stick with the company because the fundamentals are very good, and we're going to be going on forward with other videos talking about the company and fundamentals of the company and why it is a great company and it's going to do very good in the next 2 to 3 years.